Hey friends, if you wish to reset the Opera browser to default state, then please watch this video. So we'll search for Opera in the search bar and open Opera. Now click on these three dots at the left bottom corner. Scroll down and select settings and click on the pointer along with it. Now search for the word reset and hit enter. So you can see it's similar to Chromium browsers. All you need to do is click on this option, restore settings to their original defaults, and then select reset, and all the settings will have been selected at the default. But yes, you will have to close Opera and then open Opera once again for the reset settings to take place. And you can see this time it's loading, taking much more time to load because it is configuring the new settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.